They say the doctor walked out before completing a surgery, leaving a 72-year-old man in a vegetative state, now requiring constant care. CBS 47's RAQUEL Cervantes joins us live from CRMC with more on what the family is asking for. RAQUEL?
Ken and Evie, well, the family says that since they received that anonymous call from someone who was inside of the operating room, other people have contacted the attorney. Now they're hoping that more people will come forward to strengthen their case. A lawsuit is alleging that a Fresno heart surgeon left the operating room before properly closing the chest of his patient. The complaint names Dr. Pervaiz Chaudhry along with Fresno Community Regional Medical Center and the Valley Cardiac Surgery Medical Group, seeking damages for medical malpractice, corporate negligence, along with other complaints. The stepson of 72-year-old Silvino Perez says an anonymous caller who was inside the operating room informed him of the alleged negligence.
Basically, he said the doctor walked out in the middle of the operation, left the assistant to perform the work that he should have been doing.
Perez is now in a vegetative state.
He opens his eyes, he doesn't respond, he doesn't track you with his eyes if you're talking to him or calling him. There's no form of communication whatsoever.
ARTEAGA'S lawyer says they've subpoenaed possible witnesses to help strengthen the case.
The real purpose of this case, frankly, is to find out really what happened, and if there was wrongdoing of the sort that we suspect or we've been told about, to try to redress it so it doesn't happen to other people.
Attorney MONRAE English says she's representing the physician assistant who closed up Perez and says her client confirms the allegations.
What we've encountered so far is what we would consider massive whistleblowing.
I think the public has the right to know this. I think the people that have used them as their doctor have the right to know this.
Now, CRMC sent us a statement that reads in full, "We won't comment on the lawsuits except to say that we look forward to the legal system's proper fact-finding process and that such lawsuits shouldn't be tried through the media. Also, the public should know that based on its most recent data, the Society of Thoracic Surgeons gives Community Regional's cardiac surgery program the highest possible 3-star ranking. Only about 15% of participating hospitals share a ranking that high. In some cases, we're able to help patients who other hospitals in the region can't." End quote. And so far, the attorney for the doctor has not returned our calls for comment on this case. Meanwhile, a consumer watchdog group has asked the California Attorney General and the state's medical board to take action against the hospital and this doctor. We are live in Fresno. RAQUEL Cervantes, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.
RAQUEL, thank you for that. In other news.